Hello there. I'm going to teach you a song about the Great Fire of London, and it's called Fire. It's written by Jonathan Dove, an English composer, and the words are by Alistair Middleton. It's a very nice song, and not too difficult, I hope. So there are only 5 lines, as you can see, and the first one goes like this. Oh, oh, the towers are on fire. Let's listen again. Oh, oh, the towers are on fire. And what that is talking about is the towers of St. Paul's. And St. Paul's is a great big cathedral in the middle of London, and it was totally destroyed in the fire of London. And so it was rebuilt afterwards. And it had towers in which were the bells, and it's saying that they're on fire. And I wonder if you know what a steeple is in the next line. It's one of those like steep roofs. And it goes like this, the next line. All the steeples are falling, all the steeples are falling. Let's listen again. All the steeples are falling, all the steeples are falling. Good stuff. And the next line says flames in the spire, and the spire is the top of the steeple. Flames in the spire, flames in the spire. Great. So have you noticed that the second and the third lines happen twice, but the first line only happens once? Okay, let's try the whole thing up to where we got up to. Oh, oh, the towers are on fire, all the steeples are falling, all the steeples are falling, flames in the spire, flames in the spire. Great stuff. And then it starts to get a little bit higher now. So we need to make sure that our posture is good. If we are sitting down, we need to sit up straight. Ideally, we should be standing, but it depends if you're using a computer or not. If you've got an iPad, you can stand. And it goes like this. All the people are calling, all the people are calling. All the people are calling, all the people are calling. But this one actually happens 4 times. All the people are calling, all the people are calling, all the people are calling, all the people are calling. Wow. And then finally it has what they're calling, and they are burning, so they aren't very happy, and they go, oh, oh. So we do a slide there all the way from that top note all the way to our low note, our first note in the song. Oh, oh. So just 2 O's at the end. Right, let's try the whole song after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, oh, the towers are on fire. All the steeples are falling, all the steeples are falling, flames in the spire, flames in the spire. All the people are calling, all the people are calling, all the people are calling, all the people are calling. Oh, oh. Lovely stuff. Now, in the real song, what happens is it does the whole thing twice. Everything that I've just done there twice, and then something very clever happens. You split into 3 groups, and you all start at a different time. And this is what we call a round in music. Another famous round is London's Burning, which is also about the fire of London. But this bit will probably probably, well, definitely be easier when we are back together at school. So there is a backing track with singers on for you to sing along to. When it gets to the end of it, you'll hear all three groups singing different things at the same time. Don't panic. Just try and stick with one of them and keep going. But the first two verses, the whole thing through twice, you should be able to manage with the backing track. So go on to the next video with the backing track and give it a go.